Allplay Kinetics recently visited HMP Lancaster Farms to see how they are using Energywall in day-to-day life at the prison.
So using Energywall just to use as a distraction tool or a bit of a calming tool for the men that within the prison. So in education, if they're struggling with the maths and English or any lessons at the time, we'll put it out, we'll get them out there. Just 5 minutes on that just seems to just calm them down, get some refocus back into what they need to be doing. Yeah, so we've had, especially in the education centre, we've had staff and the lads using it, both interactive, both engaging, and it's also a good way of staff to get the men to interact with it and interact with themselves. So as I said before, bringing them out of maths or an English class and an IT where they might be struggling for a few minutes, it's actually a good way of having them to sort of talk and to sort of have a go at it, let out some sort of stress, but actually talk about what the issues are around that. It's definitely been added value already in the short time that we've had it here at Lancaster Farms. Just having the men be able to go and do something to relieve that stress. Normally they would be sent back to the pad or there would be sort of an escalated incident, but at the moment we're seeing that men having a go at it, calming themselves down and being able to go back into class as a result. So we put it in the prison reception when prisoners first arrive at Lancaster Farms. Because we get 8-9 men at a time and only one can be processed, we sort of used it as a way for the other 7 or 8 men to be able to just alleviate boredom, do something while they're waiting there, rather than just being sat there and waiting for the next in line to be processed. And it's built up sort of a rapport with the men. So some of them might not be from the same prison, some of them could be, but it just keeps them active and sort of keeps them going whilst they're waiting there, which could be anything between 20 minutes and an hour.